Welcome to Nanobugged Studios, where this morning these birds have come to join me. Two of them just flew up. Oh, they flew up through the transmission, where the transmission stick comes in, and they're just chilling with me here. Well, actually, they're probably going to get hurt if I don't let them out. So we're going to open up the door and let them out. But they flew up in here to just tell me good morning, and there goes one, and you go out on the door. Okay, there you go. This way, little bird. Over this way, little bird. Came to see me yesterday morning too. There you go. He just walked across my boot, and he's gone. You go? Where do you go? Did you see him fly up? He's fast. Anyway, welcome to Nanobugged Studios. Did you hear that? Welcome to Nanobugged Studios. Welcome to Nanobugged Studios. Welcome to Nanobugged Studios. See? Ha! It's Mockingbird. Good morning.